today I'll be making a video on Adopt Me, or any game. I don't think Adopt Me, but these are all my friends. So I have a rock pet. By the way, this is not forever, this rock pet. Just sad because I really liked it and it's really cute. So the updates. Why am I showing you this? Just so you guys can see stuff. Okay, that was a long time ago though, so yeah. So yeah, my computer has this. So yep. By the way, go follow me on TikTok. I'm StormAcat1234. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. I have 309 followers. Hopefully I can get more guys today. Yeah. I'm trying to get okay, while I'm watching TikTok, I'm supposed to be recording the YouTube. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be working on making a mini on Koala. I will make a video when it's fully grown. When all of them are fully grown. And the tutorial how to do this name, I'll make one of those later. Hopefully I'm in a rich server, because I'm actually really in a rich server, but two of my friends are playing, so I can follow them into the different servers, so that's fun. It goes so slow. I'm gonna take my hoverboard out. Oh, there's another girl with the hoverboard, that's fun. Oh, I think we're in a French server, or is it Spanish? Of course the rock pets, guys, but the rock pets are not forever, and I don't really like this server, because it's the only one that's rock pets, and it actually look like turtle, and it's like, it's Jax. Oh, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna do this one, because I've never actually really hung out with her, so yeah, maybe I can hang out with her, see what she is. But I'm sad the pet rocks aren't forever, so yeah. I have to do a bit of a recording so you guys can see some. But yeah. Watching this tower effect. Okay. Wait, do I have 5 of those? Okay. Teleport to her. There's no cat, except the invite. Do you have like a pat? Ooh, I'm gonna trade her. She might have a trade off because she's a legendary cat. Yep. I trade her off. I think that's my friend right there. If it's her my friend. The service. Okay, I'll do a few tasks. I'll make this full group and make this PT, and I will grab her off because they're going tomorrow. Look, I want to show you guys something. Bert? Bert, and look over here. The train. I actually don't really like the trains because I just remember Fire Para for a Fast Dragon and a train and a beaver, I think. I don't know. But they're not. They're actually very slow, and I ended up trading for like 3 pets. They're like ultra rare though. With a unicorn here. The people are so cute, and with the unicorn. Hi. So I'm gonna give her something. One thing in the mouth that does not cost Robux. I hope it's not an Aussie egg or... why does everyone say no to it? Okay, that's weird. But I asked them and I said no because they were mad at me that I was scamming them. My house has a piano in it, so... Like, this is insane. But this price is... I got this much money without spending a single Robux. So spend any. So some of my two friends, a dog and a cat. But yeah, my name is. Please don't let it be. Just so has Robux. You can't log your house. I hate the people that are just so slow. Okay, I'm gonna go to this party. Come and please don't here face the mouse, get a fly red unicorn. I will go to that party and I'll skin. And if it's not a skin, you guys can watch me get a fly ride unicorn. I'll be the first one because I'm the closest. And I have a legendary habit. He's super nice and kind, so hopefully I get it. Is she gonna come in? Hello, I'm gonna leave without a review. Okay, I'm gonna pay all my money. Any of this game should be. What is her face? Okay, 500. Pay 500 bucks. I think this is not no one more time. So 500, it was 500. She accepted. Scammer, I'm gonna take a picture of your username. I took a pic if you... Apparently better not scam. But I can make sure the username, so yeah. I don't have that long left, guys. I don't know how much I can't look at that button there, but... Okay, and remember I can report her too, so yeah. I will report her. User... I will... You better not scam. Let's just go to the office house. Now can I move? I'm gonna report you. Okay, I'm gonna report if you scan. I should be doing these tasks because they're stinky. Okay, put this up. Okay. Okay, the bat chicken is so freaking cute. Oh, hello. What? I don't want to scan. Ha, I was the one that did the most. Can I get a unicorn in my house? This girl's gonna pay me all my money. Why did it go? I'm just gonna go to my house over there. No one has ever like done this. She can pay me $1,000, so I gave her a good review on my party, but hopefully she doesn't scam. Okay, I'll wait for her in my house. Okay, good chicken. Oh, she's there. Oh, she is. It's so nice. I'm gonna add her as my friend. I hope she accepts. I'm so sad. I thought she was a scammer. She is. Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, good. She didn't pay extra. I'll use this. Speaking all her money. I'm gonna go follow my other friend in this server after, but not right now because look how slow it is. This is only pre-teen. Imagine what post-teen's gonna be. I just had my online school like